Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete threads without deleting Instagram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first access your threads on your mobile phone. Once you are done, so this kind of interface gonna pop up right with the people's threads and posts, and you can just access it. Afterwards, if you want to delete your account, you simply would go to this profile icon given in the below right corner of the screen and tap on this two lines on top right corner and tap on this account option. Here in this section you can find this option called deactivate or delete profile option, right? Tap on it. Here in this section you can actually see deactivating your profile is temporary, deleting your profile is permanent. You do have this option of delete profile. If you tap on this delete profile, you can see login permanent deleted threads profile. Now I'll just have to enter my Instagram password which is connected with my threads account, and I'll tap on this delete threads profile, and that way I will be able to delete my threads profile simply, right? It won't affect my account. You can see your threads profile content, likes and followers will be hidden before being permanently removed in 30 days, and it will take only 30 days time. So after that your account will permanently be removed, and you can see only applies to your threads profile. Your Instagram account will not be deleted or deactivated. So now you can see, you can simply tap on the delete account, delete profile, enter your password, and done. You will be able to remove your threads account without actually deleting your Instagram account. So that is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.